is my brother Jing, and we don't need him today. I got something to tell you. It's shaped like a guitar, and it has strings. We have the bow. You know what is it? Violin! I'm going to show you inside. See? Here's the pegs.
I can
Here's the
see.
scroll. Here's the fingerboard neck. The bow must be straight, otherwise like this. And here's the bridge. Here's the tailpiece. Here's the chin rest. And now let's go to the bow. Parts of the bow. Okay? This the points. This the hair of the horsehair. The middle. The fork. But not kind of that fork. This kind of fork. Okay? Here or not. So tighten, loosen bow. Okay? That's all of today, and see you later. I better run away.